Guys, Mrs. Giroux here. This is day 42 and you're probably looking at this right now. So this is the daily recap. Today we're continuing on with our art history PowerPoint. This is the instructional handout. Tells you what your grade is based on, and for instance it will give you what you need to include on each slide. So for slide number 6, for instance, it's the example. Okay, your third example, third large example. You're going to include a caption with your artwork, which will state the title, the artist's name, the date it was completed, the medium such as oil paint, acrylic, collage, and the size of the artwork. And please state the size in inches. It will be easier for us to imagine how big or how small the piece of artwork really is. And on slide 6, you're going to also add, what do you notice in the work of art? You're going to use your analyzation skills. You're going to use your knowledge of the elements of art that we've talked about already, such as color. What types of color does this artist use? Do you see similarities? Are there lines? What type of lines are there? So you're describing you described it in your description, but now you're analyzing it. How did the artist use these things? Use these elements, rather. And you're going to write 1 or 2 more characteristics of the artwork. You must also include 2 to 3 questions related to this artist, and you're going to get those from me. And I'm going to give you a little sticky notepad. Little post-it note. Okay, so on here, let's just say yours is Edvard Munch. Okay, there's the page number from our textbook if you're using a textbook from home. But you're also going to, hold on 1 second. Sorry about that. You're also going to get a sticky note from me, 1 or 2 or 3, that are going to give you a question, and these questions are important. You're going to state them in the form of a question, leaving a blank, and as you're presenting the PowerPoint, you're going to ask the audience or the other students and myself, those of us that are watching your PowerPoint, you're going to ask this question of us and give us time to answer that. These questions are a great review for your final exam. We'll be taking notes on those when we present our PowerPoints. Okay? And so here again, recapping what I just stated. We've been using a lot of different resources in the room, lots of different art history books that I have. Of course, the internet. Posters talking about the different styles of artwork. This is one of Henri Matisse. This one is actually called Portrait with Green Stripe. I believe it was done in 1905. And then this is the style in which it was done. And we have lots of little books like Van Gogh by this particular author, written and illustrated by Mike Venezia. And he's great. It's quick, it's easy to read. And I have lots and lots of posters and other materials that I'm sharing with you in class. So hope to see you tomorrow. And we'll wrap up our PowerPoint at the end of class tomorrow. So one more day, hopefully. All right, thanks. Hope to see you tomorrow.